In this video, we will show the process of getting connected to a Click PLC through the StrideLinx VPN router. If you've not already set up your router, please see the videos for the initial setup that can be found in the description below. Then continue on to this video. First, we must discuss the Click PLC IP address setup. This is the IP address of the VPN router on the control side, and to remotely program your Click PLC, it must be on the same subnet as the VPN router and have the IP address of the router as its default gateway. This way, the Click will be communicating through the router. Now, it is very important that everything is a static IP address, as one limitation of VPN networks is that broadcast comms will not work, and broadcast communications is what is used for auto discovery of these type of devices. Now, let's set up the Click IP address locally for the first time. So go to Setup and then COM port Setup. Enter in the IP address as we discussed before. Now send the project to your PLC. Now that the PLC has been set up and shipped to the remote site, let's make our first connection to the StrideLinx. Select your device and then connect. Once the IX client is connected, open up the Click software and then select Connect to PLC. For the network adapter, select the Windows TAP adapter. This is the driver that the VPN client uses for this virtual connection. Now select outside of the LAN and add a connection. Give the connection a name, and enter in the IP address of the Click PLC. Here I will increase the timeout time to the max setting, hit OK, and then connect. You will now be able to read in the project from the Click PLC. Now you'll be able to program as if you're local to the PLC, but a little safety disclaimer. Before you make any changes to your PLC remotely, take into account what you are activating and deactivating remotely, as it may cause an unsafe condition. It is always best to have local eyes on the equipment while making these changes. This is where the digital input on the VPN router can be useful. It will allow you to lock out remote changes until someone is there to monitor for safety purposes. If you have any questions about the Stride VPN router, please contact Automation Direct support team during regular business hours. They'll be glad to help. Click on this video to learn more about Automation Direct's many support options. Click here to learn more or see more videos on our many products, and be sure to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.